Hi, I'm Ryan Allen, and today we're going to go over the SteelMaster insulation package. We're going to start by going over the hardware that we provide. You'll notice steel mounting pins that the insulation will be pressed onto. It's got a pre-drilled hole here so that you can put this over the existing bolt threads, and then with the additional nuts we'll provide, you'll then fasten this on to the arch overlaps. Here we have the steel retaining washer. It's oversized, and when we apply it on to the mounting pin, it helps hold the insulation in place. 6-inch wide seam tape so that all your insulation rolls have a nice seal where one roll ends and the next begins. And circular patch tape to go over your mounting pin puncture on the insulation. This is a safety dome cap. This is an optional part that we can include in the package, and this is used to cover the pointed end of the mounting pin. This is the insulation we use. It's a premium batting insulation designed for metal buildings. Notice the diamond weave pattern here acts as a reinforcement so that the insulation is tear and abuse resistant. The underside of the insulation spun fiberglass. Here again is the abuse resistant backing.